Toothache can be one of the most uncomfortable things to experience, especially as we rely on our teeth for chewing and eating and our ability to talk and communicate. It can start for a range of reasons. Sometimes biting into something hard can set it off. Other times it can be a result of decay and eating unhealthy foods.
We offer a wide range of services. We offer everything from your basic checkup to periodontal lung disease, x-rays, fillings, root treatments, crowns, bridges and dentures. The NHS try to help out as many people as they can, so anybody that is on income support, job seekers allowance, pension credit, the pregnant or they've just had a baby within the first year, all children under the age of 18 and all children under the age of 19 that are in full-time education, they're all entitled to free NHS treatment. Students or anybody on a low income can send off a form called a HC1 form, and that's like a means test. It'll either come back as a HC2, which is a fully exempt certificate, or it will come back as a HC3 where that they have to pay partly towards treatment.
At the end of your course of treatment, your dentist will recommend when you next need a dental checkup. This tends to be around every 6 months. You can find your nearest dentist by using the Find Your Nearest option on the NHS Choices site. There are plenty of other services available where you can be seen quickly and conveniently, so think about it and choose the right care.